Work out, exercise or resolve. I need to work out at the gym. Work on, devote effort to. She is working on the new project. Work for, be employed by. He works for a big company. Work up, increase or develop. He worked up a great idea for the campaign. Work through, solve or address. We worked through all the problems. Work off, eliminate or burn off. I need to work off the extra calories. Work in, include or incorporate. She worked in the marketing department. Work with, collaborate with. I enjoy working with my colleagues. Work at, put effort into. They work at improving customer service. Work over, examine or recheck. He worked over the report before submitting it. Work around, find a solution for. We will work around the issue by finding a solution. Work by, work in a specific time. I walk by the clock every day. Work at it, continue effort. You need to work at it if you want to improve. Work against, compete or oppose. They worked against each other during the competition. Work alongside, collaborate side by side. They worked alongside each other during the event. Work upon, influence or affect. I will work upon this task for the next hour. Work over, review or recheck again. He worked over the details of the plan. Work toward, pursue or aim for. We work toward finishing the task on time. Work out for, succeed or have a favorable outcome. Everything worked out for the best in the end. Work up to, build up to something. I will work up to my goal by the end of the year. Work off on, work off by doing something else. You need to work off on your skills. Work out with, exercise together. They worked out with the trainer every morning. Work off something, eliminate or reduce by doing something. He worked off his stress with a walk in the park. Work in with, coordinate or integrate. They worked out a plan for the new project. Work out for good, work for improvement. We need to work something out with the team. Work through issues, deal with issues. I will work through the obstacles one at a time. Work off, stress, eliminate stress. I went for a long walk to work off my stress after a busy day at work. Work out a plan, develop a plan. Let's work out a solution together. Work something out, solve or clarify. He worked at a goal to improve his performance. Work something through. Solve a problem. Let's work through this issue together and find a solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.